Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I got my really cute knotless box braids done. I love these box braids and I think you would love them too. So for the products, what you're going to need is some Shine and Jam or your preference of product to hold your hair, some foaming mousse. You're going to also need some scissors, a rat tail comb, a few clips to hold your hair, oil of your choice, and of course your hair. I ended up using about 3 packs of Xpressions hair. I wanted to quickly show you guys how I go about preparing the hair for my knotless braids because I used to struggle with stretching my hair out and giving it the feathered look at the bottom. So quickly, I just wanted to run through and show you guys how I do it. As you can see, all I'm doing is just taking that bundle of hair that I have and I'm splitting it in half and then stacking it on top of each other, but leaving some space in between to start giving it the feathery look. So I think just seeing it as a visual is better than me explaining because I'm just repeating what I'm doing. You want to make sure that you're running your fingers through, and I love this method because it just helps the hair not be so tangled and you get the least amount of shedding so you can get the most out of the hair. Once I finish feathering the hair, I like to go ahead and start separating my hair into smaller sections and using my thread rack that I purchased at Walmart to just prepare the hair because I work faster when the hair is already prepared in advance, especially for knotless braids because this helps the process be much easier. So getting into the nitty and gritty part of doing these knotless box braids, I have my 3 pieces for my section. And basically what I want to do is take the piece all the way over to my left and bring it over to my right side. And then I want to take the piece that's on my right side and put it towards the middle. At this point is where you want to add your piece of hair, and having it in like a hooked motion for my right hand and just grabbing it with my index finger on my left hand is the easiest way for me to get the neatest look with these braids. So you want to add 1 piece and then you're going to repeat that process with the braid, and then you're going to add your second piece and you're going to repeat that braiding process 1 more time, and then you're going to add your third piece. The way I like to think about it is for every piece in that box, I want to add a piece of hair. And you want to make sure you're not adding too much hair. Like, make sure that your sections, your pieces of hair are not extremely big because you don't want it to look bulky at the top. As I continued braiding, I ended up adding 2 more pieces to each braid just to give it a more natural look, but still keeping it very lightweight. So basically, you want to keep repeating these same steps all over your hair. If you guys are wondering about my parting, I basically divided my hair from the front and the back. I did the back first because that's usually what's hardest for me. and then I decided to go on with the front. And then towards the front, I just divided my hair into about 8 different subsections, allowing myself to give myself a middle part as well as a side part on both my right and my left side. Hands down, the biggest relief about having these knotless box braids is the pain-free aspect of it. I don't have to worry about the tension on my scalp or having to wait a week to style my hair to my preference. The moment I finished these knotless box braids, I was able to move my hair to each side, put it up in a ponytail, put it in a bun, anything that I wanted to do. I love knotless box braids because they really do help with the retention and the strength of your hair. You don't lose as much hair because you have less tension on the scalp. So I would definitely recommend these knotless box braids for anyone because trust, I am doing these all the time now. So after I complete all of the braids, I like to take a razor comb and just razor through the ends of the hair to make sure that they're even on both sides. And then after that, I like to take some boiling hot water and just dip my hair, dip the ends just to help them flow a little bit better and so the hair won't be so stiff. I take my oil, I oil my scalp, take my foaming mousse, and I set all my hair underneath those braids, and that is it. I hope that this video was helpful, and let me know in the comments below if you guys are going to try these knotless box braids. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!